Yeah.
You right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just
So
this
much
way.
good.
This is my first time playing. What the heck?
This is also my first time.
One
Not
just
in here.
moved. I think if we go near them, they just move. I think that's it. Yeah. Is this
Okay.
scary?
Have you
It's
beaten
my
this before?
first
Alright, let's go.
time. Is this scary? It's my first time.
Okay.
What?
I
haven't
That
beaten
one
it
just
before.
moved. Did you join
Let's
horror or not?
right there.
Did you join horror or
Right
not?
there.
Guys,
Yeah.
follow me. I know
Let's
the
go.
way. Guys, follow me.
Okay.
That was the wrong way. I'm
Oh, you guys!
Wait. No.
I did it. I did it wrong.
Ah!
I'm gonna die.
Oh my god.
Blue.
He's right there. Wait, how? Oh, he's literally right behind me. Guys,
Hey, let's
the
go.
music here is so relaxed. You guys, how do you
Claustrophobia.
finish?
Man, this ain't claustrophobia.
Run.
No, ain't no
That's not fair.
way.
That's not fair. That's not fair. Claustrophobia.
Coming for your butt here, guys. He's actually coming.
Wait.
Are you guys
Arachnophobia.
scared? This
For
is
me, I've tried this
claustrophobia.
before. Level 3 is impossible.
Are you guys sick?
Yes, I'm scared.
Number 1.
Arachnophobia? Where's one, guys? Where's one? Down here! Down here! It's under the table! I don't know how to do this! That's 3!
Yeah. Three, two,
Bro, what are
one.
the first ones?
Yahoo!
Ladies
Okay. So we're going. Okay. Same server. Going.
But is it still
Just don't look back at that
One.
guy. Oh, he actually followed you. Yeah, just don't look back.
1, 2.
This is where I got it. Where's number one? Where's number one?
Oh, I found one.
purple, green?
Wait, where's one? Where's one?
Yellow.
Where's one?
Four.
Purple,
Guys, where do you find
Four's
one?
red.
Why was that? How many green?
Three's two.
One green. Red, green are taken. Oh yeah,
Red. Four.
How is it green are taken?
Colorphobia.
Red, green, blue are taken.
Oh, blue was
Right
four.
on top of red, green,
1, 2,
yellow are
3.
taken. So pink.
I got rid of that.
41.
Oh my god, I got rid of that.
Guys, I did it. I got it.
Guys, what do you think?
Alright, we did.
Yeah,
Try
I did
red.
green.
Try red. Try red, yellow.
Yeah,
red,
I've tried
blue,
everything. Nothing
and then
works.
green, purple.
Where's pink?
I've
Pink,
done,
green,
I've done this
blue.
like tens
Bro,
of
already
times.
almost out of time? Pink,
Where's
green,
pink?
blue, yellow,
Please
red.
tell me what I do. But I've done this too long. Before at least. I guess that's it. Level 3 is impossible. If you're just saying like, oh, you've died 2 times. Have died multiple times in before just trying to complete level 3. It's impossible, but adios.